Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Palladium Hotel Group is to construct 2 new luxury hotels in the parish of Hanover in Jamaica at a cost of €350 million. The announcement was made at the 2025 International Tourism Trade Fair held in Madrid, Spain, which ran from January 22nd to January 26th. The hotel group announced that the 2 new hotels in Jamaica, belonging to the Grand Palladium Select and Family Selection brands, will add close to 1,000 rooms to the island's offering. Tax Administration Jamaica is advising taxpayers that the Special Arrears Settlement Program is in effect until March 31, 2025. This program provides an opportunity for all businesses and persons, whether self-employed, companies, or organizations, to clear their debts without additional costs typically associated with late filing and payments related to several tax types, and then become compliant. The Special Arrears Settlement Program is designed to waive or remit interest, penalty, and surcharge accrued once outstanding principal taxes are paid by March 31st. Tax Administration Jamaica says it's expecting to rake in $10 billion in outstanding taxes through the Arrears Settlement Program. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, research shows that the value of the economy after adjustments are made for the levels of inflation accumulated between the years 2007 and 2024 was only 796.98 billion Jamaican dollars. Statin says that this is an indication of the country's low levels of productivity and the negative effects of the cost of production as well as the cost of living. For the trading period ending January 29, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online Educator One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 16,734,915 units traded, representing 34.07% of market sales volume. Microfinance firm Lasco Financial Services Limited with 4,267,723 units traded, accounting for 8.69% of market sales volume. Financial conglomerate JMMB Group, 7.25% variable rate JMD preference shares with 4,174 units traded, representing 8.14% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 29, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.82 million was purchased and US $61.62 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.35 per dollar, selling the US at $158.13 and buying the US at $156.78. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.51 per transaction, with selling at $111.25 and buying at $107.74. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.32 in profits, with selling at $196.91 and buying at $195.59. For our credit report tip of the day, the gold standard for credit scores is 850 points, which allows you to get the lowest interest rate in the marketplace. So do you know what your number is? As a self-employed professional, visiting your banker to discuss creditworthiness is a crucial step toward building financial stability. Here are some options. Seek advice on building credit. Inquire about strategies tailored to your financial situation. Explore business credit options. Ask about using business credit instead of personal credit. And then discuss loan products. Learn about lines of credit, term loans, or other small business loans. And that wraps up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.